Hello and welcome to today's video. If you suffer from this and this, let me show you how to fix it yourself. Let's get after it. The recommended method for this fix is to jack up the car, remove the front wheel and then the fender well. This video bypasses that method. Begin by releasing the hood latch. I didn't want to get a ticket, so I ended up replacing this bulb close to darkness in the rain. The round access lid you see here is for the parking lights. Unfortunately, the one we need to remove is in a much tighter spot. Here. Turn it counterclockwise to remove. Although standing above the engine you won't be able to see it, this is the back of the bulb holder. Turn it counterclockwise. And then grab the holder with your fingers and pull it out. Again, from above the engine, you won't be able to see this next part. Pay close attention to the socket ears that are bent outward, and I'll explain more soon. Grasp the bulb with a gloved hand for safety and take a flat-bladed screwdriver and pry under the bulb tab shown here and twist to separate the bulb from its receptacle. Then pull to remove. Pay attention to the vertical tab on the receptacle for later indexing of the bulb during reinstallation. The tab on the bulb will fit just to the left of the tab on the receptacle. Remove the bulb from its packaging and install it in the receptacle. Like this. The tabs on the sides of the bulb housing press into these socket ear openings. Then the bulb housing is turned clockwise to lock in place behind the socket ear slots at the 5 o'clock position at the bottom and 10 o'clock at the top. Reinstall the access lid by turning clockwise, and this project is complete. Time to get dried off.